Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Freddy's fry sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for being here. We appreciate you joining us today. Like I said, we're going to be making Freddy's fry sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We've got a half cup of mayo, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of pickle juice, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, as we always do, bowl big enough for all your ingredients. Gonna add our mayonnaise, the ketchup, our salt, our pickle juice, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. And we're just going to mix this all up really well without splashing it around. There we go. There is our Freddy's fry sauce. But I got some burgers going back here. I'm going to set it up, take a photo shoot, and come back and we'll taste it. Alright, we got some nice shots of this. Now I thought I had fries in the freezer before I started to make this. The whole idea was to utilize those fries and make a sauce. Not a big deal. This is good for chicken strips, french fries, and I made a veggie burger, and I'm just going to eat it like this with the sauce on it, but we can still ascertain its flavor. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to get a bite without any of the vegetables on there. And you can see I slathered on a ton of that sauce on there, so sauce is good. Got a little bit of pickle in there. You notice I didn't put pickles on the vegetables over here. I don't like pickles on my burger, but you got the sauce, it's got the pickles in it. Another bite. Creamy, because that mayonnaise, you got the saltiness of that ketchup in there and the tomato. Garlic, onion, paprika, give it a nice flavor profile in there too. Pickle juice adds a little bit to it. Very good. Freddy's fry sauce. Recipe is in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul.